Oh my god, guys. Hello, Elro's here, and I made my promise. I didn't do the quest, but guys, we need to help these wild horses. They're trapped. Talk to Madison. Okay, yeah. See, that's the horse that I'm gonna be getting soon.
Should I accept him as a friend?
No, Firestorm, I'm doing a video. No, it's Night Dust. Night Dust. Night Dust. Night Dust. Night Dust. Helen, we have to get Night Dust out of here. Don't worry, Night Dust. We will get you out of here. Open Night Dust's cage. Oh, Madison, be careful. The graphics. Just what kind of run is that? By the way, guys, you get this quest at level 15. Easy, Night Dust. Easy. Oh no, it won't open. I need to take a picture of this. Oh no, is that Eric? Yeah, good, it's Eric. It's just Eric. I need to take a picture of this so I can report it to the cops. Okay. Just a quick picture with me out of it. There we go. See, look at all those chemicals they use on their horses. Madison, it'll be okay. Night Dust, we're gonna get all of these horses out of here. Don't you worry. Oh no. We need to find something to open Night Dust's cage with. I don't think a book will work. This will be, maybe, no, I don't think so. Eric, what should we do? Helen, I think we probably shouldn't touch anything. But, Eric, what about all the horses? Maybe we should just go. No, can't leave this. Wait, it sounds like something is coming. No! Madison, hide! Oh no. Oh no. Madison's just listening to her music like usual. No. Helen, what a surprise to see you here. I suppose I'll have to welcome you to my laboratory. Very nice of you to have brought some of your friends with you. Really? Grr, let Night Dust out of here. If not what? Excuse me? But we don't want any trouble here. Yes, we do actually, Eric. If you haven't noticed, they have about 7 horses in captivity just sitting there, yeah. We came here to leave your briefcase, Carl. No, we didn't. I'm sorry, but my daughter can have a vivid imagining sometimes. She hid in her car and brought the suitcase with her by mistake. ... My briefcase? I thought it was gone forever. You just think you're gonna get your briefcase back. You really think we came here to give your briefcase back through the very stupid and very not nice Piper 13. As I said, my daughter and I are here to apologize for taking your briefcase. I find it almost aggravating that he's like just talking about a briefcase. What? Helen, here, you can give the man his briefcase. So maybe my daughter and Helen can just go later. Sounds good. Oh God. Yes. Give me my briefcase. You have no idea how much trouble you are in, that girl has caused. I'm gonna click through this because I don't want to run out of time. Oh, but sweet. Oh my God! You see the syringe I have here? It is a way to create the horse of future. I want to create a horse that is superior to all the horses and also known in this. A horse is not your friend. Yes, it is. It is your slave. And that is what I've found to bring forest. An agent that mistakes a robot with a question. Oh my god. Stronger and faster than anyone else. That can't be legal. Haha! When it was the last time I did something legal, Carl? You paid for the ice cream when we were... Quiet! You're interrupting my evil speech. I didn't mean for you to answer that question, Carl. Back to my evil speech, since I can't let you go. We have some fun. We have to find something else for you. Hee hee hee. No! Looks like Night Dust wants something. Of course it looks like Night Dust wants something. He wants out of that stupid cage. And by the way, we have a guest. Firestorm, wanna say something?
It's technically horse abuse.
Good point. Anyway, Firestorm has been in my video before, the discussing Spruce Whip video, at least one of them.
And please subscribe to my channel.
You don't have a channel. Subscribe to my channel, because her channel doesn't work. No, I'm kidding. Your channel works. My hand.
So I got it wrong.
What if you should try opening Night Dust Cave with this screwdriver? Yeah, nobody's watching me. Totally not in the open. Oh god. See, Mr. Anwar is literally watching. Oh my god. Oh my god, it opened. It opened. Easy boy. Good boy, Night Dust. Ha! Good boy, Night Dust. Go, Eric! Oh god, drama. No, the syringe. Easy. Helen! The syringe! Mr. Anna has dropped it. It's lying on the ground. Quickly, take it. Take it. Easy, easy, easy. No, he took it. He took it. He grabbed it. He's grabbing it. He's gonna stick it in a horse and make it. I don't think so. Ha ha ha! You're a little too slow there. Actually, I was faster than you, but the game glitched. So, yeah. Helen, now you will see what this serum have succeeded in producing can do. A horse. Run here. Night Dust! Run! Run! No! Night Dust! No, he won't run away from it because... Oh my god! Helen, we can stay here. We have to get out! Run through the hallway. No! Oh god. Night Dust, I'm sorry. Oh god, this is a race. I'm not good at on-foot races, especially when we're in this stupid maze. I hate leaving poor Night Dust and all the other horses there to become slaves. But, to be truthful, what could we do there? We would get caught. We're running in a circle. We can't get out. Oh, never mind. This is the exit? Oh, there. Find a place to hide. Okay, where? Oh god, that's the place. We need to find it before the time runs out. Run, Helen, run! At least we've got a long time. Oh god, I know the place. Oh god, no. Oh, no, that's camera. Oh, it was camera for some weird reason. There we go. Traffic guard's attention. Run and mark up. Okay, yeah, I get it. There's all sorts of cages. Horse cages. Oh god, that's gestures. Oh no, run from the guards. I'm guessing that's what was. Hurry to the next mark. Where's the next mark? Here it is. There's all these horse cages. Oh no, they're close. They're gonna hit me. Madison, Eric, run! Oh god, they're gonna hit me and then that's gonna be game over, people. Oh no, now they're chasing me. Great. That's just thank you for putting me as the person. Oh god, now they're running after me, and that's just not cool. Run, just run. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, we can't touch any of these guards or else we're gonna die. Where are they? Where's Eric and Madison? Oh my god. Wait, where? Where? Wait, where? Oh my god, they're at the entrance exit. Okay, good, I didn't Gladden. Gladden? That's not a word. This is just not cool, okay? Horses, no, this is just not cool. What is wrong with my chat? Good. Wait, is my club
Where's your
chat?
horse, Kaya?
Oh yeah, club chat.
Where's your horse? Where's your horse?
He can't come with me. Hello.
Hi, Ella. How was your day? Did you have a good day?
Why Firestorm? You asked that at the start of the... Okay, right? Talk to Eric. We have to run... Oh, God.
Eric? That's a good name.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm gonna bring you guys back in this app. Okay, guys, I'm so sorry. We're at like 11 minutes. Let me check the time. Firestorm. What time is it? Oh, what time is it?
Kaya, it's 6:20. It's 6:29.
6:29. Okay, good. Okay, so at about very soon it's gonna end. It broke again. Sorry, my fault. Oh no, they're all meeting. Okay, I'm so sorry. We might not be able to film when we release the horses. I'll take lots of pictures, but just come over here. I just don't want to make the horses wait because I haven't been recording.
Booga booga. Booga booga. Booga booga.
No!
Who said? God, I'm not doing this. I don't know what you're doing.
Psst, come over here. Ugh, you're gonna watch my YouTube videos? No, don't watch my YouTube videos.
I could just like it.
No!
I always like the videos.
Subscribe if you're new, people. We need a lot of help so that we can save Night Dust. We need the funds, people. Okay.
Please watch my videos.
At firestorm.com.
Wow. Classic poop pants.
Grr, let go of Night Dust.
I didn't record him.
Oh no, Night Dust! Night Dust! Night Dust! Yes. I don't think so. I think that you've got one of our horses. Oh no, Madison, run!
Madison.
Oh god, Madison. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh god, Madison. Follow Madison and look for clues how to set different traps down. Okay, we gotta find a trap. Oh, there, I see one. I think. Yeah, there's a trap. Here, is even closer. Here. It doesn't seem like a good idea. Oh no, I'm running out of ideas. Here. That seems like a good idea. Okay, we can do this. Madison, be careful.
Oh, that's so funny. Cause I on somebody.
Okay, we
Roblox,
gotta activate it.
Look, Kaya, look. So somebody in Roblox, his name is Madison. I just saw it. Look,
Madison?